Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics that matter. Set the monitor input to VGA and power both devices. Next, disconnect and visually inspect the VGA plug for bent pins or debris. These physically prevent a signal. Once done, reseat the cable firmly and tighten screws. If you have a spare VGA cable or another monitor, swap it now to isolate whether the fault is cable, monitor, or PC. This rapid triage saves time before deeper steps. Now you dig into configuration. Ensure the VGA is plugged into the active video output, onboard or discrete GPU, and not an inactive adapter. If the display remains blank, boot Windows in safe mode and set a standard resolution and 60 Hz refresh. This avoids unsupported modes. Then update or reinstall display drivers because corrupt drivers often stop handshake. Make sure to reboot between changes and retest the VGA signal after each step to find which action restored output. Finally, confirm any adapters are the correct type. Passive adapters won't work from digital-only outputs, so use an active converter when needed. Replace the VGA cable with a known good unit or switch to an active HDMI to VGA converter if converting signals. If nothing changes, reset CMOS to clear video output settings or briefly reseat the graphics card. If problems persist, test the GPU in another PC to definitively locate the fault. This single test tells you whether to repair or replace hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.